I'm going to show you how to make an AI map in just a few minutes using PamPam's AI Atlas feature. I'm Helena, I'm the co-founder of PamPam, and in this channel I just share different tutorials on how to use PamPam. PamPam's a custom map maker, so let's jump right in. So what we're going to be creating today is an AI map, and so this is what it's going to look like. Essentially, what is an AI map? It's a map that essentially has a chat on it. So you or your community or your users can ask personalized questions on it and get answers based on the information that's on your map. So we can click into these spots and see more information like this. And this is all custom, so this is all information that you've added. Or you can also ask your own questions, or your community can ask questions. So my kid is into firefighters, and let's see what we get back here. So what's happening here and how it works is that the AI is looking at the information that's already on your map and then creating an artifact from that. So in this case, we get back a few different spots here related to firefighting and so on. And then from here you get different suggestions, and your community can keep on asking questions from there. So this works, this is just a link. So you can just share this as a link. So that means that you can add it in your link in bio, you can embed it in your website, you can add it in a QR code, you can send it in an email. If you add this to your home screen, it's gonna feel very much like a native app. So that's really nice as well. This is what it looks like in an embed. So this is just an example of a website. And then if we click into here, you'll see that this is what the embed looks like. There you go. Something important to know is that for your community to use the chat, they will have to log in to PamPam. But when they do that, they're just gonna stay right here in your embed or in the map. And so that's gonna feel pretty native as well. So how do you create this? So what you're going to want to do is create a PamPam account. From there, you're going to want to make a map. And this is what the PamPam map editor looks like. From here, you're going to want to start adding places to your map, of course, because the Atlas, the AI map, is based on the information that's on your map. For the Atlas to be really effective, you want quite a bit of places on the map. So at least 50, if not 100 or more. So the best way that we recommend doing that is to start through an import. So start from a Google Sheet, Notion, Airtable, or a CSV. We have other tutorials on how to do that. But once you do that, then you'll have a pretty nice map in here. And now let's go back to our other map so we can see what that looks like. So let's see, New York City with kids. So all this is this is still the PamPam map editor, so it's just a map. You're going to want to click on this little wallet down here that says change spot type, and we're going to go back into classic. So when you make your map, it's probably going to look like this once you've imported all your places. You want to make sure to give it a title and a fairly descriptive description here. And then you're going to want to just change your map display to Atlas. And Atlas is what's going to give it this chat display here. A couple of notes here is that as of now, the title and the description and the suggestions are not customizable. So it's just based on that title and description that you wrote in the classic display type. So you want to be fairly descriptive there so that you do get the best suggestions you can get here. From there, everything else basically works like a regular PamPam map. So you can customize these emojis, you can change the color of this map, and so on. So that's essentially it. I'm going to link the help article to the Atlas, how to create it. But again, this is an AI map that allows you or your community to chat with the information on your map. So it's all based on information that you've uploaded. So it's very custom to your community, to your knowledge, to whatever map it is that you're making. And it's all based on a regular PamPam map. So let me know if you have any questions down in the comments. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like. It really helps us out. Thank you.